Now we just want to show you something inside the working chamber. So here in the middle, as you see, there's an aspiration unit that is used when eventually you might have some smoke inside the chamber. It can be turned on by this switch. The switch is right beside the fan. It's not the same switch, of course, that turns on the machine that is there on the left. So this nozzle with the blue pipe that you see is the air, and you use it whenever you need some air to be blown on the piece, while this other nozzle is used when you have to point argon gas directly on the piece, and in that case it will blow it as already set in the settings, as you saw, the 2 seconds delay for the argon gas. And here on the right you have the joystick. The joystick can be used to also change the parameters without taking out your hands from the working chamber, and so you don't need to touch the screen to change the parameters.